2022 Ram 2500. With less than 55,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Take home the car of your dreams today.